So we have 1/8 plus 2/4. The 1/8 is going to stay the same, plus, and we have to transform this number into an 8. So it is times 2 here. 4 times 2 is 8. So we also have to double the top number, which is 2 times 2 is 4. Then we only add the top numbers together, so we get 5/8. So in addition, you only add the top numbers, but the bottom numbers, they have to be the same. If they're not the same, you can't add them. Is 1, so 1/10. So we have changed this number. It's the same as that number, but we changed it into tenths so that we can calculate with it. The same here, you do minus at the top, and the bottom has to be the same number. If it's not the same number, you cannot do any calculations. How does multiplication work? So at 3, so this is not a fraction. In order to make this a fraction, you just put a number 1 underneath, and then you have a fraction. There is no explanation at this stage. If you want to look up why that is, you can look on Google and on YouTube. For now, we just need to remember if there's no fraction, we just put a 1 underneath, and then we have a fraction. Times 2. And now that's quite easy. You do 3 times 2. So you multiply the top and the bottom. So 3 times 2 is 5. Sorry, I was adding them. And 1 times 10 is 10. Then a division works the same as a multiplication because you swap the numbers. A 2, do you remember? That's not a fraction, is a 2 over 1. But we're going to swap. We're going to swap the bottom and the top numbers, 1, 2, in order to make this work. So a division works through a multiplication. This stays the same. So 1 times 1 is 2. Sorry. What am I doing? 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 2 is 12.